आग लगा रे गोले आग लगा रे ऑल द बेस्ट
Yeah, may I have your attention? The updated instead of taking a pen drive, the updated information as a separate file will be emailed to the HRAWI office, and we'll see to it that it is distributed amongst all of you. If at all anybody does not get it by tomorrow, please contact the office and we'll have it sent. So yes, I'll take it. Yes. So is Savio here? Anyway,
Okay. So still, anybody having any question in Hindi, Marathi? कुणाला काय पाहिजे सांगा. अच्छा, लास्ट मैंने फायर का बारे में बताया था, FIRE कॉजेस. ओके, अभी ये फायर वर्ड में क्या करना है ये भी लिखा हुआ है. फायर वर्ड में फायर क्यों लगता है ये लिखा हुआ है, FIRE. अभी फायर लगने के बाद क्या करना है ये फायर वर्ड में है. फर्स्ट F स्टैंड्स फॉर फाइंड. अंगार लगने के बाद किधर है किधर है किधर है अंगार ढूंढना है. सेकंड I इन्फॉर्म, बाद में R रेस्क्यू, लास्ट में E एक्सटिंग्विश. ओके, सो आपका फायर साइंस से भी ये फायर वर्ड आपको बहुत कुछ बताता है. अंगार क्यों लगती है और अंगार लगने के बाद क्या करना है. ओके, थैंक यू. किसको कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो सर भी है, हम लोग है, आप पूछ सकते हैं. ओके देन.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As we are coming to an end of the important session, we would like to call on dais Chief Fire Officer Mr. Rangdale, President Mr. Gurbakh Singh Kohli, Chairman Mr. Gurbir Bedi, Gurbakh Singh Kohli, Mr. Hemant Parab, Deputy Chief Fire Officer, Mr. Anil Parab, Division Fire Officer, Mr. D.S. Patel, Assistant Division Fire Officer. Please come on stage. And Mr. V.N. Sangle. And Mr. Patel also. Please come on the stage. We have two places, please. Yeah. By the permission of sir, may I request CFO sir to please come forward. We shall start with the certification. The certification. The first group will be from Hotel Chateau Vincennes. Hello, from Hotel Chateau Vincennes. We'll be giving the certificate here in a group, and then the group photo will be taken accordingly. And request President sir also to do the same thing. Chateau Vincennes. Yes. From Chateau Vincennes, please come forward. Come on the dais. May I request Hotel Sea Green to be ready? Hotel Sea Green. Mr. Shekhar Salvi. followed by Mr. Samir from Hotel Sea Green South. You all both can come together. Sea Green. Requesting Ms. Anita Punjabi to please come on the stage. Mr. Kishore from Hotel Sahil. Very good. Mr. Kishore is here. Yeah. Guys from Hotel Balaji Sarovar Premium, please come on stage. Namrata, you be here, you be here, you be here. Number 6. Number 6. Good. Yeah, give it to him, sir. Requesting Hotel Jackson Inn to be ready, followed by Hotel Amigo. You may please come and stand to my right hand side. Jackson. Hotel Jackson. Hotel Jackson, right? Yeah, please. Yeah. Hotel Amigo. To my right, please. Hold on, let me finish. Yeah. Gaylord Restaurant Gaylord. Followed by Hotel Leela Kampensky. To my right, please. Amigo. Hotel Amigo. Yes. Okay. Amigo is done. Hotel Gaylords. Please come on forward. Yeah. Hotel Gaylords, please. Okay. Hotel Leela. Requesting everyone to please wear your caps. It's a special request. Like, please wear your caps. You look smart in that. Hotel Leela Kampensky. Yeah. Requesting Hotel Ramada to please come up. Hotel Ramada. Yeah, please come to my right hand side. T24. Hotel T24, please come. Done. Hotel Transit and T24.
This is a humble request that please put on your caps, volunteers caps, so that in the photographs too, you will look smart. Smart fire volunteer, please.
It's 11, it's not less. Which one is this? 11, 11. T24?
T24 and Hotel Transit together.
No. Mr. Vishnu. Yeah, it's 11 is there.
Ramada, Hotel Ramada 11. Yeah, come in front.
This 3, yes. 12, 13.
Hotel T24 and Hotel Transit. Hotel Trident, please be ready. Trident BKC. Amonara the phones. Trident.
14. Trident.
Yeah, please come a little bit faster. Amonara, followed by Sun and Sand. Amonara. Sun and Sand, please. To my right hand side. Sun and Sand. Grand Residency Hotel and Service Apartment. Hotel Grand Residency. Followed by Hotel Faryaz. Grand Residency. Yeah.
Grand Residency.
Yes, sir. Faryaz?
Grand Residency. Grand Residency. Just don't keep close. Take your time. Which hotel? Which hotel? Faryaz.
Hotel Faryaz, please come forward. Requesting Institute of Hotel Management Catering Technology to come on forward.
Institute.
Hotel JW Marriott's.
Institutes.
Melua the funds.
Hotel Executive.
No, no, no.
No, these are
Sorry. 2 minutes. Sorry. Hotel Executive Enclave.
Hotel Executive.
Waterstones.
Waterstone.
The Ferns Residency. (24) Hotel The Ferns Residency. Ferns Residency. Hotel Ferns. Okay, ठीक है. Corrientes Resorts and Club.
The Fawn Residency. Fawn Residency.
Hard Rock Cafe. Hard Castle. Hotel Corrientes. Anybody for Corrientes? No certificate? Bana madam, certificate देखो. It's okay. Thank you guys. Brewcraft Microbrewing. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they come. Yeah, please. Please come on stage. Hotel Jayashree, be ready, please. To my right hand side. Okay. It's okay. Hotel Jayashree. Yeah. Let him finish. Hotel Jayashri, please come.